The police force has had issues for a long time.
Deep-rooted issues within the Royal St. Lucia Police Force have left many unsettled. Amid reports of missing evidence, the suspicious and untimely death of a canine officer, and unresolved allegations of sexual misconduct against a senior officer.
Losing evidence? Very, very concerning. Very concerning. Not the first time. That doesn't mean it's right. That doesn't mean it's right. But let's not pretend it's the first time I'm the one who keeps the evidence at my home. I don't. The Independence Party has gone so far and stooped so low to insinuate that I am responsible for the death of the police dog. Where do you reach? Where do you go again when you reach that level? But you know what happens? We're going to get more dogs. You're going to get more dogs.
Is that the promise?
Yes, the promise. Once the dogs are available, you're going to get more dogs.
Prime Minister Pierre acknowledged that while these issues are disturbing, they are not new to the force. He emphasized that concerted efforts are underway to change the environment and raise standards within the police service.
Remember the late Sir John Compton when he dismissed 2 police officers on the radio? You see, we want to reinvent history. So the police force's problems are deep. They won't be changed in 4 years. What are you trying to do? We're trying to have a new police recruit, a new caliber of police.
Prime Minister Pierre's remarks came in response to a journalist's question about the performance of Police Commissioner Vanguard. The Prime Minister emphasized the rigorous vetting processes designed to ensure only the highest caliber of young men and women join the force.
Hopefully, we can have polygraph tests for 100% of the police force. But these things take time. Re-engineering the police force will take time because it's a problem that existed for a long time, not under this Prime Minister. It's been there for a very long time. It's a slow process, but I can tell you we've started and we've seen results.
Considerable financial and material resources have been injected into the Royal St. Lucia Police Force as the SLP administration works to strengthen law enforcement, aiming to enhance public safety and restore public trust in the RSLPF.